Ciao friends! I want to show you how companies manage the allocation of office seats for their employees by using Synoptic Panel in Power BI. This example has been created by using real use cases. Of course, this map is fictitious, but we have seen several companies with a very similar use case. They have different workstations, they have many employees, they do not have a constant assignment of each workstation to each employee, but this is something that can change dynamically. And so this map can show who is allocated to a certain seat, which other seats are available. This is also valid for meeting rooms sometimes. And you can move to different floors. You can choose the map here. And of course, you can zoom in and out the map and you can see what is happening. Of course, you can also link other elements because this is Power BI. This can be connected to your data, the live data that you have in your reservation system. You can find all the steps to create a similar solution described in the case study published on the OKVIZ website. In this case, the map was a DWG file, an AutoCAD file imported as an SVG file, and areas corresponding to the workstations, to the seats available, have been associated to IDs that correspond to the data that you have in your model. And by doing this process, you are able, also for your maps, to create a similar representation. So there are many details here, including how to use Figma in order to translate, in order to transform the SVG files, and also how to enable the dynamic selection of the map in case you have multiple floors by also using a little bit of DAX. So take a look at the case study if you have a similar problem and let us know if you created similar solutions by using Synoptic Panel in Power BI.